Hey guys, Sushi Stew back on here today. I got a new free app of the video. I took a day off yesterday from making a video, but we're back on strong. Here's Realxbook Nature for the BlackBerry Playbook. As you see, it's got a really nice interface here. We got sounds on each side to choose from, a nice little picture to go with it, the title, how long we want it to play, plus, minus, and start. You can see which ones we have here. Turn the volume up a little bit, make sure we can hear it. So that's Peaceful Waterfall. This side is Tropical Rainforest. This side is the Highlands. That's all there is right now. I'll try to look at information in here, but it doesn't seem to bring anything up. But the app itself does work. Got some good sounds, definitely would be relaxing, and it's definitely worth the price. Check it out, BlackBerry Playbook, free in App World. Relaxbook Nature. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.